Okay, here we are for the multi-hole start for the 2014 Fort Lauderdale to Key West race. Looking at your pin now, I'm going to pan you back behind the line. You see the big Katana catamaran double trouble there, and the little F-boat or Corsair boat flight simulator coming straight out the boat here, and we're about 45 seconds from the start now. I'm going to pan you to the left. You see the former Cheeky Monkey, which is now just Cheeky. They're going to give us a good show right here at the boat. We're going to be coming down to you. We're 20 seconds from the start, and they're going to be sending it here in just a minute. And since I missed their check-in picture, I'm going to give you a little extra footage of them here at the start because they're going to give you a show. 10 seconds from the start. One last check over here. Here's your pin. There's Double Trouble. There's Flight Simulator. Here comes Cheeky unfurling the screecher and sending it. There they go. Right here at the boat. Flight Simulator. Looks like they're going to be close to getting across the line first. And here's Cheeky right in your picture, and they're gone. All right. Double Trouble bringing up the rear here. And I'm going to pan over the committee's heads here so that you all can get a look at the fleet sending on down to Miami. And there you go. There's your fleet on the way to Key West.